Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video I'm going to try on this braided wig. So if you find this video entertaining or interesting, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I've actually introduced this style to you before in color 1 and almost the same style and same design but different colors. So guys, if you really like this wig, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below if you want to purchase it, and I'll send it to you. So most of you have been asking you for wigs that have closure. There are some styles that I can't make with closure. I can only use the sewing method. I personally prefer the sewing method because I feel like it's easier to make. And then also there's people who just don't love the baby hair, or some of my clients who just don't love the baby hair. I shared this video with you before and most of you really loved it, especially on my TikTok, and I just appreciate the feedback, guys. So if you order these wigs from my website, guys, also just leave a comment in the review section so that other people can know that you really love the wig. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is apply a foundation on the lace just to make it blend well with my complexion. And then it has straps at the back just to make it secure. And then sometimes I always sew an elastic band. It has straps and then I sew an elastic band just to make it more secure. But then when I try it on and I feel like it's secure like this, I don't always add bands because also I don't want them to be too tight. I want them to be comfortable. Okay, so this is the color 1 and this is 133, because also I noticed most of my clients love 133 because it's not too dark. It kind of makes the wig look more natural. But then also some love color 1. Yeah, so guys, just comment down below if you love this style, if you love this color, or if you prefer it with baby hair as well. And again, guys, I just want to thank you for your support. Thank you for ordering my wigs. Like, it really means so much to me. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.